Welcome to JH. Revolve.com is an online fashion hub selling trendy clothes, shoes, and beauty products for people who want to look stylish without actually leaving their couch. They offer a massive mix of designer and lifestyle brands, making it a one-stop shop for outfits that will probably look better on the model than they do on us. It is especially popular with younger shoppers and anyone who spends way too much time trying to stay updated with the latest fashion trends. But the big question remains. Is Revolve legit, or is it just a very well-dressed trap? Let's break it down and find out together. First, let's look at a very strong positive sign. We checked their domain details and found that Revolve was registered way back in 1995. That is ancient in internet years. Most scam sites have the lifespan of a fruit fly, so surviving since the era of dial-up is a massive green flag. A website that has been active for decades usually indicates stability, experience, and the kind of long-term trust that you just can't fake with a fancy logo. Next, we looked at their social media presence, and honestly, it's a bit overachieving. Revolve is active on Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, and even YouTube. On Instagram alone, they have around 6.2 million followers, which is more people than some small countries. Being this active across multiple platforms makes the brand feel more transparent and connected, or at least shows they have a very dedicated marketing team that never sleeps. If you like shopping via thumbscroll, there is more good news. Revolve has its own official apps on both the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store. This matters because apps on these platforms have to pass security and quality checks, proving the brand is established and serious about your user experience. We also found the humans behind the curtain. Revolve was founded by Mike Karanicolas and Michael Mitt. We even found Mike's LinkedIn profile, which adds a layer of transparency that scam sites usually avoid like the plague. Now, let's talk about reviews, because this is where the perfect image starts to crack. On Revolve's own website, the reviews are glowing and positive, which is about as surprising as a cat liking tuna. However, third-party platforms like Trustpilot show a more grounded 3.5-star rating with very mixed feedback. While some customers are obsessed with the fast international shipping and product quality, others are busy writing novels about missing refunds, sizing disasters, and customer service reps who seem to be playing hide-and-seek. So, what is the final verdict? Revolve.com is a legitimate and well-established fashion retailer, not some ghost site waiting to snatch your credit card info. Their long history, massive social following, and transparent leadership all prove they are the real deal. However, your experience might vary depending on your luck. While many shoppers are perfectly happy, the ongoing complaints about refunds mean you should probably read the return policy as if your life, or at least your bank account, depends on it. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews.